All right, these are the innards of the MGI Navigator, Zip Navigator AT, although the regular Zip Navigator probably is the same. I'm getting a grinding noise after water got in. I experimented with this as a submersible, and the right motor is making grinding noises. So I'm trying to see where that's coming from. There's the motor controller under the gearbox, and I've lubricated in here, opened up the motor, lubricated the spindle, this part here, the gear here. I'm going to probably add some more lubrication here, but I don't know if I can ever make this sound go away. Oh, that's better than it was. So here's the difference in the sounds. If I'm just going using the right motor, I get that sound. If I go left, I get that. And that's both going at the same time. So there's still definitely noise coming from here. Why, I don't know. Okay, I think I found something that's different on the right than the left that probably is causing the sound. When I engage I'm looking at these bearings, I get movement of this bearing here, and this bearing stays perfectly still. I'm wondering if when I put the cover on, that'll lock it down, but my guess is because there's a slight movement in there. See that move? And I do this side, and there's absolutely no movement. So somehow, something is askew there. I don't know. Okay, it appears I fixed it, but I got the wrong wires. I got the left wheel going yeah, I got ass backwards. That should be going right, not left. Damn it, I gotta take the thing apart again. Okay, back is good. Forward is good, working good. Right, left, right, left. I think we got it.